everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on A Generation The Legacy from the 28th of October to the 1st of November 2024 on Monday. Lucy is shocked to realize what Tao is planning. Preparing a pitch is much harder than Melogutle realized. Many things her reputation is ruined on Tuesday. Spare's strange behavior is freaking Rory out. Ayanda is recalled after a friend stands a talk. Is the much anticipated relaunch party doomed to fail on Wednesday? Jack takes his fear out on the wrong person, and that's his well-meaning probing trigger a fight. Mhlomla is angry and hurt about a friend betrayal on Thursday. Is Gabisi going to be a spinner in the works? Alex Shipping Queen feels defeated and gives up. Juju reveals just enough to get a reporter intrigued on Friday. Melogutle hopes her effort will pay off this time. Dao's mind faces after getting a dinner invite. Many step in to save the day. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.